Dear friends, today we'll discuss meter bridge. So you can see this is the circuit diagram for meter bridge and this is meter scale. And bridge is generally used to find an unknown resistance. If known resistance and length of tapping is known. Okay, so at balance condition, the length will be noted and after that we will apply the condition for Wheatstone bridge. So let us discuss meter bridge in short. You can see, first of all, let us see what is meter bridge. A meter bridge, also known as a slide wire bridge, is an instrument that works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Very important. This is the its working principle is Wheatstone bridge. Okay. It is used to determine the unknown resistance of a conductor. Basically, it is used to determine the unknown resistance of a conductor. So at balancing condition, we can apply this equation same as in Wheatstone bridge. So P by Q equal to R by S. You can see here, we assume this length as a resistance because resistance proportional to length for a conductor. Again, this length we assume as a resistance Q, and this is resistance box resistance R, and this is unknown resistance S. So we put all the value here. For P we put L, for Q we put 100 minus L. You can see here R and S. This is R and S. After solving, you can see R is equal to 100 minus L. Sorry, S is equal to 100 minus L over L into R. So this is the expression to find unknown resistance S. S may be here, S may be here at any position. Okay. So application of meter bridge. What are the applications? So first application, it is used to measure unknown resistance by using this expression S is equal to this, as we see earlier. Now the second application of meter bridge is to compare two unknown resistances by using R by S is equal to L by 100 minus L. So these are the basic principle and applications of meter bridge. I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.